Welcome to HubMesh. Here are the developer tools and AI agents trending on GitHub right now.
Ever had an AI agent pick the wrong tool or drop your server? MCPScore catches those silent failures in seconds before your users do. MCPScore is a command line tool that connects to your Model Context Protocol server, running comprehensive validation rules. Why MCPScore? Because MCP servers that violate the spec fail silently, making agents pick the wrong tool or leak traffic. Scoring works by assigning points based on severity. Critical rules are worth 5 points, high 3, medium 2, and low 1. MCPScore features multiple transports like streamable HTTP and auto-detection, plus real handshake verification for reliable audits. It audits protocol version compliance, server information, capabilities, tools, security, and transport, ensuring your server meets the MCP standard. You can eliminate AI hallucinations from your security research with OpenOSINT, an AI-powered agent that executes real binaries, not imagined ones. OpenOSINT is an OSINT agent for security researchers, offering 18 investigation tools through a natural language interface. To quickly start, you can run OpenOSINT as an interactive AI REPL, a web interface, or directly call a tool without AI. When you use the REPL, the agent decides which tools to run, chaining them on findings to investigate any target. OpenOSINT features include AI tool chaining, 18 modular tools, 3 AI backends, and a native MCP server for integration. IP2 location and rapid proxy sponsor OpenOSINT, providing enhanced IP geolocation and residential proxies for data collection.
Claude-BugHunter transforms Claude Code into a senior bug hunting researcher, offering 82 skills and 15 slash commands for external red team work. This section highlights Claude-BugHunter as a self-contained skill bundle packed with 681 disclosed report patterns across 24 core vulnerability classes. Claude-BugHunter is a drop-in skill bundle that makes Claude Code act like an expert, using 4 layers like Think for methodology and Hunt web apps for detection patterns. For a quick start, you can install Claude-BugHunter as a Claude Code plugin, which loads all 82 skills and 15 commands, namespaced for easy updates. Claude-BugHunter runs on 4 harnesses, meaning its agent skills can be installed across Claude Code, OpenCode, OpenAI Codex CLI, and Hermes Agent with 1 command. The star history section shows the project's growth over time, indicating its increasing adoption and community interest. Imagine an AI that not only understands your intent, but also evolves autonomously, collaborating on complex tasks. That's JiuwenSwarm, an intelligent AI agent system. This section highlights JiuwenSwarm's core capabilities. It understands your intent, evolves autonomously, and uses swarm collaboration for complex tasks. The introduction explains JiuwenSwarm as an agent system for multi-agent collaboration, enabling skill self-evolution and tool invocation through natural language. The latest updates show recent progress, like the v.0.2.0 release, which upgraded JiuwenClaw to JiuwenSwarm and added swarm node enhancements. Installation and launch is straightforward. You can download a desktop app for Windows or Mac OS, or install JiuwenSwarm via pip for command line use. The Quick Start guides you to configure models from platforms like OpenAI, and then choose from Plan, Performance, or Swarm mode to begin your conversation. That's the mix for today. Subscribe to HubMesh for more daily repo trends.